So today we have the Ask weighing scale, as you can see on screen. Here it's the model number. So the problem is when we put the weight on it, it shows 300 grams less weight. So let's start it first. Press it down the on button. Here you can see it's 0 0. We press the tear button. Here it's 0, and here you can see the weight is of 10 kilograms. It's 10 kilogram weight. We put the weight on this scale and check it out. It shows 9 kilos and 790 grams. So this is the problem with the calibration. So first of all we check the software inbuilt and then the hardware. So first of all we make it the calibration mode. So putting in calibration mode. So at first we need to get the scale in calibration mode. So putting in calibration mode, we have to press the net cross and sample. And press the on button from back. Here you can see it wants password, and now we press the sample 3 times mode, and again sample for 2 times, and mode for 3 times. Now we press the enter button. Here you can see. Now we press the 0 button from here. Here you can see it says we have to place 5 kilograms weight on the scale. So we put the 5 kilograms here. Here you can see we put the 5 kilogram weight on the scale. Now we press the enter. Here you can see the error, and this error is because of hardware issues. If somebody is okay, everything is okay, then this error is not shown. So this is the EEPROM error, electrically erasable program, read only memory. So we start to repair this type of scale. So let's start and remove the hardware issues in this scale. So at first we remove the screws. So okay, we open everything in body. So here you can see here is the main board. So we have to change the memory IC in this, which is below this chip, so we have to remove this chip. And here below this chip we had the another chip that is used for removing this error and saving the program, calibration program in it. So we have to remove this first and then place the new one memory IC in this. So at first we open this IC memory microcontroller. So here you can see memory IC, which is right there. Here we have to remove this memory IC and replace it with the new one. So we remove this out and place new IC on this and restart the machine. Here is, you can see the numbers. So Atmel 93C46B PC27 number. So here we have the new IC here. Just test the new one. Here is the old one. Here is the new one. So here everything is soldered out. Now we put the chip, this type of microcontroller, back on this. So now we turn this back and screw. So after packing all the things, now if we start it, it shows the so here you can see it when we change that memory IC or EPROM in 93C46. After that, with this wing scale shows help overload error. So to recalibrate, we have press the net cross and sample button, and similarly on button on the way. We put the scale in calibration mode. So it needs password for that. So first we press it down the sample button 1 time and 3 times mode, sample 2 times, 3 times mode, and then press the enter button. And then we press the 0. So here we select the 5 kg. From there, let's we start from 10 kg of weight. And here 10 kg is selected, and put the 10 kg weight on the scale, and then press the enter button. So here you can see now 10 kg is set and there is no error anymore. So now this wing scale works perfectly and the problem is resolved. So here it's final testing. We press back off button, unplug the wire. Now we plug the wire in, press the on button. So here it shows 00. Now if we put the 10 kgs of it, so here it shows perfect 10 kgs. And if we place the 5 kgs of it. It shows perfect 5 kgs. So now the problem is resolved. If you have similar problems, then you can contact my numbers anytime.